Hello everyone. Myself Rajendra Pal Singh. I am currently leading the Google Developer Student Clubs at Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. In today's session, I will be introducing to you about the one of the biggest challenge by Google, that is solution challenge. To discuss more about it, let me first share my screen. Yeah. Let's get started. What's a solution challenge? It's basically like a hackathon, which is organized officially by the Google. Let me introduce it. In today's session, I will be discussing about overview of this solution challenge, prizes, judging criteria, timelines, and other resources as well. Basically, what the solution challenge is about. Your mission is to solve one of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. It's like a problem statements. You need to took that problem statement and work over it. I will come to that point for later. Let's move forward to the official website. There is a more good content over there. Fine. So this is a website. I will be providing the link to you in the chat. You can get it over there. Fine. Yeah. So these are the 17 United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. So these are no poverty, no hunger, and further. Likewise, there are 17 problems. I will be discussing about each of the problem in detail in this session only. Okay, fine. So let's move forward to the United Nations goals. So these are the 17 problem statements. So you can refer to this link. Here's United UN 17 goals to explore more about these problems. So first one is no poverty. You need to design a solution in such a way so that it will help in and end the poverty in all forms everywhere using any technology. But yeah, keep it in mind that you must use at least one of the Google technology in your project because it's organized by Google. So obviously, so second one is zero hunger. So end hunger, achieve food security, and improve improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. So these are some of the example projects which have other people have built in the previous uh, solution challenges like in 2020, 2021, etc. Similarly, the third problem is good health and well-being. So ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. So this is a problem, and you have to design solution to ensure healthy lives. Like yeah, it's a Kindra project, Wonder Tree. You can click on it and explore more about this project. Then you will get a basic idea of what the problem statement is this about. So next one is quality education. It is to ensure inclusive, quality education, promote lifelong learning. As you can see in the COVID era, everything became online. So this is one of the thing. Gender equality, achieve gender equality, empower all women and girls. So this problem statement is to about gender equality and to empower all women and all girls. Yeah. And sixth one is clean water and sanitization. So these are some of the points like why it matters. You can click over it to explore more about this problem. So So they have organized this explanation in very good manner. So you can check out these example projects as well. So seventh one is affordable and clean energy. Ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Eighth one is see, there is no example projects over there. It means in the past few years, no one has submitted any any project in this category. So if you made project in this category, so it would be a plus point. I'm not saying that if you have idea, good idea for other categories, don't go for it. Go for it. So, similarly, decent work and economic growth promote sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. Hope you understand these problems. So, likewise, reduce inequalities, sustainable cities and communities. See, there are also no project listed in this category. Also, that is a responsible consumption and production. You can check out some example projects over there. So these are some of the links. You can click over it and to explore more about these problems. So these are some of the 17 problem statements. You can explore more about it by going to this tab. So going to this link. So let me show you timeline. So this is the timeline of this solution challenge. It's kind of hackathon, you can say. So okay, fine. So first step is join a developer student clubs. See, you are joining this session under the under the Google Developer Student Clubs, Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. So if you haven't joined our chapter yet, then you can't, or not our chapter or any other chapter, then you can't participate in Solution Challenge. If you want to become a member of this this event, sorry, you can say this challenge, then you have to be a member of the Google Developer Student Clubs. So I will be sharing a link. If you haven't joined our chapter, you can join as well. Okay, fine. Yeah, if you haven't joined our chapter, then you can join to using this link, but at the last of the session. Till then, focus on my points. Step 2 is form a team. So you have like-minded people, form a team and register for the event. I will be telling you about where to register only. Just focus on these points till then. So third step is select a problem statement. I have shown you some 17 United Nations problem statements. Pick at least one of the problem statement and start working on it. So step 4 is identify a solution. Discuss with your teammates then how we can solve this problem and identify a solution for it. Step 5 is design a user interface. Obviously, you are developing a project and you need to have a user interface so that user can interact with your project. Let's suppose I have created a medical application. Fine. So so that user can interact with it, you have to design a user interface. So this step 5 is designing user interface. So step 6 is design the backend technology. Let's suppose I'm using backend in my project. So I'm going to use Firebase as my backend as a backend. So select the particular technology. You can also use Google Cloud. Step 7, test your solution. Obviously, find a product is ready and you need to test your solution whether it is working or not. So step 8 is iterate on your project. Well, what does this mean? Iterate on your project means using feedback. You have received, start iterating on your project. Let's say you have designed a project. For example, you have designed your project and start showcasing to your family members, to your relatives that I have solved this problem, and they will give you feedback that this should not be like this. If this can be done like this, then it will be better. So then polish your solution using these feedbacks. So so fine, now it will be ready for you the final submission. So submission will be by 31st March. So submission will start from 15 March. As they said, put your solution into action, record a video of successful demo, maximum 2 minutes long. It should not exceed 2 minutes. Fine. And submit using this form. you can refer to this website. Then you can get all the information about this challenge using these links. The submission form will open on 15th of March and it will end up on 31st March 2022. So be make sure that you register, you submit your demo video in between these days. So watch this video for the example of demo video last. Fine. So these, so here's the link. Then you can, if you can find out the demo videos, like so what are the demo videos, like the top 10 participants which got selected in previous year, then you can find out their demo here. You can get a basic idea what the, how you can design the project, not design the project, how they designed their project, how their project solved that problem, and you get a basic idea. Yeah, it can be like this, something like this. Fine. Now you will might be thinking about what the evaluation criteria for the same. Fine. So 60 points and impact. So impact means you the solution you have designed. Is it making any impact on for this problem? So it has more points. So technology has 40 points. So does the solution implement all the technical components resolve the challenge? 10 points. It means you have used, so technology is having 10 points. That be make sure you have Google technology in your project. Fine. Okay. So does the establish a clear problem as I discussed before? How effectively does the solution address the challenge identified the team? So this means the solution you have designed, how effective it was, so that it can solve the problem, so it can address the problem. Is the evidence of solution has been thoroughly tested with real users? So fine. So this will be a plus point for you. Let's suppose you have designed an application for a hospital, and you have tested in your home with your friends, and that's it, and submitted on the solution challenge platform. So and you haven't tested in the real world. So with the real user, let's suppose you are building some application for the hospitals, then be make sure, not make sure, it would be a plus point if you do so. Go to hospital and test it on the real user to see whether your problem is really, your solution is solving that problem or not. So this would be a plus point for you if you test your solution thoroughly with the real users. Is there evidence that solution have iterated based on your users feedback? Okay. Is there evidence that the solution was iterated upon based on user feedback? Fine, it would be they're telling that the user, the feedback they have provided, have you implemented those or not? Have you made uh, have you, are you making uh, fine. So decision timeline. So you might be thinking about how these things works. What are the prices for these? What are the other stuff for challenges for the teams? See, they will select, firstly they will select top 50 teams, and the top 50 team will win a t-shirt, certificate, and mentorship from Googlers and other experts to improve and submit a solution for the top prize. So let's suppose I have submitted my solution on 31st of March, between the 15th of March to 31st March, and my project got selected on the 50 teams. So now the Googlers or some experts will reach out to me and they will help me to to improve my solution. So this is the case. So if you are submitting your project, and if your project got listed in top 50 teams, then they will approach you and they will guide you that you can improve your solution by this these stuffs. Fine. So they will help you. It's not about you have submitted a solution and that's over. Nothing like that. And you will get a chance, you will get a opportunity to talk directly with the Googlers. Yeah. So after this phase, after the shortlisted 50 teams got selected, and they have guided you that you can improve your solution for the top prize. After this submission, top 10 finalists got announced, and they will win a dollar 1,000 cash prize per team member, as you can say. See, so yeah, I have one point missed, that your team must have four members, not less than four, not more than four. or your team must have 4 members. It is mentioned over there. I will show you later on. So each team member will get a $1,000 cash prize. So swag, certificates, membership from Google, and feature in the Google developers blog and demo day live stream. So fine. So top three winners will get a $3,000 cash prize per team member. Swag, certificate, mentorship from Google, and feature in the Google developers blog and demo day live stream. Hope this section is clear to you. And okay, let me move to the timeline. Fine. So late April. So you might be thinking about when the 50 teams got selected. So when you submit your solution between the 15th of March to 31st of March, after in the late April, you will be getting emails or something like that that you got selected or not. They will tell you about. So they will announce top 50 teams in the late of April. Then in the month of May, mentoring for top 50 teams. So in the late of April, they will announce that these are the top 50 teams. Okay, fine. So in the late of April, they will announce the top 50 teams, and in the month of May, they will they will start mentoring. That Googlers will start mentoring you. They will help you to. They will guide you basically to improve your solution. That let's suppose fine. So you will get a feedback from them also. Then they will guide you if you need any help. So top 50 teams receive a mentorship from Google and Google Explore to improve the solution and be submitted for the top prize. Fine. In the month of June, top 10 finalists announced. So finalist team will announce and begin to prepare for the 2022 solution challenge. So yeah, after that, in the month of, you can get the demo video of the previous year in using this link. Oh my god, I got yeah from this link only. So they have designed this website in a very user friendly way, so you can get all the information in using this website only. So in the month of July, 3 winning teams announced live on the YouTube. So all 10 finalists will showcase their solution during the 2022. It's not about the top three winners uh, uh, only able to show their solutions live on the YouTube. It's about it. All the top 10 finalists will show their solution live on the YouTube on the Google on the solution challenge demo day. So this is about the things. And let me go to resources. See, you might be thinking about, yeah, I will build up this project, but I don't have any resources. I don't know how to use Firebase. I don't know how to code in Flutter. So similar like this. So how can I achieve this? May I learn? May I spend money or something? Go to search for YouTube videos to learn Flutter or Firebase? Nothing like that. Google will provide you free courses for the same, designed by Google experts itself. So let's suppose you want to learn Android. So here's the course. You can click over there. Okay, let it be open. Fine. So they have designed in a very good way. Let me open the Flutter course. So Flutter is a cloud cross platform. You can use Flutter as well to build beautiful applications. So here's the proper pathway. Here's the it is designed officially by Google developers. So everything is free of cost. You can check out these resources. Okay, fine. So there are more courses. You can click on see more and you can get out it. Okay. So okay, demo video, demo day. Fine. Let's see. So you might be interested in knowing the past winners of the solution challenge. So these are the three top three solution challenge winners. So Dominique, I of course you can go to this link and watch these videos by yourself, and you will get the basic idea that what the solution is about. Not a basic idea, you will get a clear cut idea. So now coming towards the point, how you can register for this event, for this challenge. Fine. So go to this link and form a team. Let me just go to their timeline. Yeah. So these are the detailed steps. So step one is join a Google Developer Student Clubs. If you haven't, I have provided the link over there. Then you can go to this link. That is GDSC Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar, and you will see a join button here. If you haven't joined yet, I have joined, so it is showing me that you are a member of this group. If you haven't joined this group, then you will see a button over there. Just click on it, and you will be a member of Google Developer Student Clubs, Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. Fine. So step two, form a team. So they said form a four-person team. It should not exceed four people with at least one student from the University of Google Developer Student Clubs. So it is a condition that at least one student should be a member of Google Developer Student Clubs. So ideally with a varied set of technical skills and soft skills, obviously. So have a conversation about causes. Okay, fine. So see, let's suppose you have formed a team and you are four members. It's not about it like only single member from the your group will register for it. No, all the four members have to register for this challenge using this form. Just click on this form and all the four members must register there. Okay, so be make sure uh, if you are a member, then you can click on over there. Yes, I have part of this at my university. Oh no, I'm joining it. Okay, let's see. So what does this mean? If you are a, if you are a student of let's suppose XYZ. Let's suppose you are a student of GNDU, and you are participating in this challenge. Then you can say that yes, GDSC that I am part of it is at my university. I'm a GNDU student, and GDSC is in the GNDU. Then I will select there. But let's suppose some student having not Google Developer Student Clubs in their college or university, then but they have joined Guru Nanak Dev University, let's suppose XYZ Developer Student Clubs community, then they will select no. I am joining nearest GDSC to my university. Okay, so okay, fine, and okay. So they will ask you about the what are the basic technologies you might be using in your project. Be make sure you will fill up this form very wisely. See, so if you are registering for from the Guru Nanak University GDSC, then be make sure you select. Let me show you. Uh, be make sure you select this particular field. There are a lot of colleges, so be make sure you select India, Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar, if you are registering from this GDSC. Okay, so our GDSC is present in Amritsar, Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. Be make sure you select this field. So then select the solution, then select the problem statement, identify a solution, design a user interface, and design a backend technology. Then finally, finalize your project, test your solution, iterate on your project, then record a demo video and submit it by the 31st of March. So, yeah, so that's it from my side. If you have any doubts, then you can refer to the chat section of the YouTube. Yeah, I will be clearing your doubts as well. So, let me first share this link with you. I think I have shared. Yeah, if you haven't doubts, then you can type directly into the chat box. I will be addressing each and every doubt. Okay, I am a student in GNDU affiliated college. Does it need a GNDU campus student or not to create a team? Okay, you are a you are not okay. You have joined GNDU Developer Student Club GNDU, but you are from the GNDU affiliated college, then you will select the second option, that I am not from this campus, but I have joined this second option, that is no, this one. Uh, then you will select this option. No, I am joining the nearest GDSC to my university. Okay, and but you be make sure that you are the member of this Guru Nanak Dev University Amritsar student clubs. So be make sure you click on the join button. If you are a member, then you will see something like this message. Okay, and I'm just okay, fine. Oh, not to create a team. Doesn't need to. You can create a team. It doesn't mean that you're not from GND. You can. It doesn't mean that you can form the team with any peoples. Like it doesn't mean that all the peoples are from the same university. So you can create the team as per your convenience. But be make sure from the team, all the members should register, and each member, sorry, at least one member must be a member of this GDSC. Yeah. So if any other questions, feel free to ask. So see, one more point. If you want to use Google Cloud, so it's a paid platform, as you know. But yeah, if you are participating in this challenge, then Google will provide you some free credits, so that you can use these services for your project for free of cost. Any other doubt or any other question you want to ask? Okay, fine. So hope I have covered all the points. Then thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, and be make sure you participate in this challenge. So yeah, thanks a lot. Bye.